Hello everyone, today we're going to make a 99-calorie pizza and a 9,999-calorie pizza. We're gonna find out which is tastier, a pizza where every ingredient is healthy for our body, or a maximally cholesterol-filled pizza with maximum harm for our health. As the base for the healthy pizza, we're gonna use rice paper, but it needs to be puffed up. So to do this, we're gonna put it in the microwave for 40 seconds. The result is an incredibly light pizza crust. That is 30 calories. Essentially, it's a giant rice chip. Now let's prepare the unhealthy pizza crust. Here we're going to use flour, dry yeast, salt, a little sugar, 1 egg, heavy cream, and olive oil. We're gonna start kneading the dough, and at the end, we're gonna add butter to increase the calorie count and mix it in. This is going to turn into a very soft pizza dough. We need to let it rise. After 1 hour, we're going to knead it again and then spread it out on a baking sheet. Surprisingly, this small ball of dough has more calories than a person's daily requirement. Our unhealthy pizza crust is ready. For the healthy pizza sauce, we're going to use cherry tomatoes. We simply grate them on a fine grater. And we're not going to use the skin. We're also going to add some dry oregano and some salt for taste. Then we're going to mix the sauce and spread it onto our diet pizza. That's only 10 calories. For the unhealthy pizza, the sauce is going to consist of ketchup. Unlike fresh tomatoes, this is already a processed, less healthy product. Butter to increase the fat content, also olive oil, oregano for aroma, and honey for sweetness. All that's left is to heat the ingredients and combine them into one sauce. The result is a mega-rich sauce with 509 calories. Now we just need to spread it over the dough. Now we're moving on to the cheese. For the diet pizza, we're going to use mozzarella. We're going to slice it as thinly as possible and place it on the diet pizza, plus 25 calories. For the high-calorie pizza, we chose one of the most calorie-dense cheeses, Parmesan. We're gonna grate it and put it on our pizza, plus 440 calories. But that's not all. The next cheese is Gouda. It has an excess of saturated fat, and so we're gonna grate that also. All done. We're gonna put it on the mega-calorie pizza. And the final ultra-fatty cheese we're going to add to the unhealthy pizza is cheddar. It's already in slices, so we're just going to place those on top. That's another 1,040 calories. For the diet pizza, we can only afford a small piece of turkey. We're just going to slice it into very thin slices. And then put it in a preheated waffle iron without adding oil. Thanks to the very hot surfaces, we managed to get a crust. We're gonna put the turkey on the healthy pizza, adding 15 calories to the total count. For the unhealthy pizza, of course, we're going to use pepperoni, which has a lot of fats and nitrates. We're going to slice all the sausage. All done, and then put it on the pizza, adding a whopping 845 unhealthy calories. We're also going to use Hunter's sausage for the unhealthy pizza. They're even unhealthier than pepperoni. Onto the board and then just slice them up. All done, we're gonna put them on the pizza, and that's another 845 calories. As a topping for the healthy pizza, we're going to use cherry tomatoes. We're gonna slice them as thinly as possible. Put them on our healthy pizza. That's only 6 calories. For the unhealthy pizza, we're going to use sun-dried tomatoes in oil. They are mega calorie dense. We're going to open the jar and take out the contents. Let's slice them into strips. We're going to put them on the unhealthy pizza, adding another 420 calories. The next ingredient for the healthy pizza is going to be just one mushroom. We're going to slice it and add another 5 calories to the healthy pizza. Into the unhealthy pizza, we're going to add a whole can of black olives. They're quite high in calories. Another 420 calories. For the crunchy component of the healthy pizza, we're going to use an onion. We're going to dice it. All done, and then transfer it to the hot waffle iron and spread it out and fry it. The result is a crispy onion that we're going to put on our pizza. This adds only 6 calories. The crunchy component for the unhealthy pizza is going to be bacon. We're going to slice it into pieces. Now to make it crispy, we're going to put it in the frying pan and fry it. After 3 minutes, we're going to flip it. It would seem that the bacon is ready, but at this stage, we're going to make it even unhealthier. We're going to add sugar and honey. It will get coated in a thin caramel crust. And then we're going to transfer the bacon to a board and chop it with a knife into smaller pieces. This is mega crunchy. We can add it to the pizza, and it's surprising that in this handful of crispy bacon, there are over 1,500 calories. At this point, we put the unhealthy pizza in the oven to bake. It has a thick crust, so it's going to need more time to cook. 15 minutes later, we're going to put the healthy pizza in the oven. And after 5 minutes, we can take both pizzas out of the oven. But as you may have noticed, the calorie scale on the 2 pizzas isn't completely filled. For the healthy pizza, we're going to solve this problem with fresh basil. We're just going to add 4 leaves. For the calorie-dense pizza, we're going to need pine nuts, walnuts, Parmesan, basil, and olive oil. And now we need to grind all of this into a sauce. Our pesto sauce is ready. And we're going to add it to our mega-calorie pizza. Finally, the 9,999 calorie pizza is ready. We use the maximum amount of unhealthy ingredients in it, and in thickness, it resembles more of a pie. The 99-calorie diet pizza looks very modest, but it contains only low-calorie, healthy ingredients. So we're going to start the tasting with the 9,999 calorie pizza. It has a lot of cheese. Undoubtedly, it is very tasty, but I can really feel this incredible amount of fat in my mouth. If you ate just 2 slices of this pizza, you would exceed a normal person's daily calorie intake. It's clearly overkill. So now let's slice the 99-calorie pizza. Honestly, before tasting it, I was skeptical about this pizza. But its taste, even remotely, does remind me of Italian pizza. Overall, of course, it's not as tasty as the mega cholesterol pizza. If you throw this video 150,000 likes, I will continue this series with shawarma. Farewell, everybody.